Hey guys, we received this the world game for test and try. This is a fun geography board game with an educational game for kids and adults. It's a cool learning gift idea or passing your time with some learning as well. So it comes in a really nice box. So let me just open up the box. So this comes with this board instructions and everything. So let me just check and see. Um, it shows all the facts and stuff and show how to play this. So all the instructions are provided, and this is the main board with the whole map. So you can easily open up this board so that it will be a hardboard world map. So you can easily store, you can easily work with it. So these are the all these different colors things, dice and stuff with the different cards. So these cards are if each country have all the facts and the fun facts with the different things. So cards looks premium quality. So this is the storage thing that you can easily store the game after playing. So let me just open up all these cards and show it to you. So there are total 194 country cards and the 26 action cards that I'm opening right now. So they are the 26 action cards that you can choose your action for. And then the race around the world thing, you can put in your stuff and then just choose that one. So they are the nicely printed cards as you can see. So the quality is really nice. And these are the country cards. So they are total 194 country cards and with the facts on the back. So the flag, the facts and everything. So you can just choose and see. So there are all the facts about the countries like the population and things. And then you can compare this with the other competing person and then play with it. So I will ask my kids to play with it and see how this goes. So they set up the whole board and things. They are setting up this, for the two people, and then asking for the cards, shuffling the cards. So they're setting up everything, and there are the different things for each country, like the area, population, GDP per capita, highest point, or the neighboring countries. So you can choose, and you can see the location challenge and everything, and then you can compare the two cards and ask them, and with the facts and compare and see. So whosoever is the winning card can move forward, and then they can choose the things. So it's a nice, fun game, and of course, the instructions are given. You can easily choose the instruction. You will also learn from these cards all about the different countries and then the facts. So you can choose, you can play, you can learn, and with the kids, have fun on the go as well as whenever you want to.